Welcome back to Panda Explains, where we unravel the mysteries of doing new things in the most fun and easiest way possible. Today, we're diving into the cozy world of knitting. That's right, we're going to turn those yarns into warm hugs. And remember, for all your knitting needs, check out the links in the description. If you think knitting is just for grandmas, think again. It's a fantastic skill that lets you create personal gifts, relax, and even meditate in a way. First up, let's talk materials. You'll need some yarn and a pair of knitting needles. There's a variety to choose from, but for beginners, I recommend starting with medium weight yarn and size 8 needles. They're the perfect size to practice your stitches without getting tangled. Knitting is all about the stitches. But first, we need to cast on, which is just a fancy way of saying, get the yarn on the needle. Look at you go. A scarf is a fantastic first project because it's simple and very forgiving for beginners. Plus, it's like giving your neck a warm hug. Who doesn't love that? Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. The beauty of knitting? You can always unravel and start again. It's all part of the fun. Alright, team, that wraps up our knitting adventure. Be sure to check the description for all the materials you'll need and hit that like button if you found today's guide helpful. Subscribing is the best way to catch all our future crafts and curiosities. And hey, don't be shy. Drop a comment below with your best knitting tip or what you'd like to learn next. Who knows? Your suggestion might just be our next video topic. Keep those needles clicking, and remember, there's nothing you can't tackle with a bit of patience and some Panda guidance. Until next time, keep creating and stay cozy, my friends.